Hard on stains, but soft on skin and the environment? It's possible with laundry solutions from BASF. A detergent's first job is to get the laundry clean. Consumers are also looking for skin-friendly laundry detergents that will achieve perfect results. BASF now offers ingredients that enable your laundry detergent to be tough on stains and soft on skin, including bio-based and eco-friendly products. It's kind to the environment as well. Sokalan HP 20 and Lavergy Pro achieve perfect laundry results even at low temperatures. The Laundry Solution by BASF. Gentle on skin, kind to the environment, and powerful against stains.
BASF. We create chemistry.